Hi traders, Anthony here, taking a look at the S&P 500. Interesting price action in the face of the geopolitical turmoil that's going on at the moment. This is holding up remarkably well. I'm surprised. Okay, this wicked down, and I mean, you can see that this is being priced up with a vengeance right now. Do we have a bottom here? Possibly. Don't know yet, but I mean, this is looking pretty bullish. We go down to a 4-hour chart to get a little bit closer to the action. Price action wise, we've got an inverted head and shoulders. We've got this bullish ascending triangle, okay, coming into a tight squeeze. It's going to pop one way or the other. And the other thing too, if we're looking for our fib pullback, you know, we pull a fib from, well, say from this low. Well, there it is. It happened. Gap down, traded back up now. Double top, triple top, higher lows. It's a pretty bullish scenario. So where to from here? Well, I think for me, before I get involved, I'm going to have to see it either crack this high or retrace. I'll be sitting out of this for now, but if we see, in fact, we're coming into the London Open, and that's going to occur at about, where are we? What time is it? In an hour or so. Hour and a half. We might see some fireworks. A break, retest, and fail here would definitely inspire me to go long. And then on the other hand, well, we'd have to get down to the lower time frame because there'd be a range that I want to see. Break of the low and retest and fail. Okay, and then I could get involved shorting this. So let's just have a look at this on the lower time frame, and we'll get our bearings. I'll leave those lines in. Let's go out of here. Now, I'm interested in this time frame here, the 3-minute, get a bit closer to the action. So it's either a break and retest of this high, and here's the weekly. This is a weekly level pivot right here, this line. Okay, so we've traded up into that, and oh look, we're pushing up. If this pushes up into the London Open, we might see a bit of a liquidity grab, and it could roll back. Anything can happen, I guess. But yeah, we can see it pushing up at the moment. But yeah, oh, look at that. There you go. That is a stop run. Okay, a push into liquidity. I don't trust that. And I would say the London Open will be kicking off about 18. Where are we? There. Okay, London Open. Let's just mark that. If this trades up into the London Open, I would think that we might see it rotate. London session. So just be careful when you see the market spiking like that. If it holds up above here and it fails to trade back down through here, possibly, but a break and retest of this low would be another opportunity. I don't want to ramble on here, but here's the thing. I'm waiting for a signal, something like this breakout. Okay, so let's see if we get one of these on the lower time frame on the 3-minute. So we had this breakout here. I tend to trust these breakouts. They do usually give us have a look at this, for example, an opportunity, and there would have been a short back here somewhere. Oh yeah, look at that. Another long. But these will tend to get us in. If there's going to be a reversal, that'll do it. We've had this break here and an opportunity to trade that, but yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be jumping in here. That's a bit overextended. Alright, so I'd have to see this thing retest this high here and fail, and then rotate and give me a reason to, it would have to invite me in. And then the other thing would be if we see a bearish break, in other words, we crack this level and this diagonal here, and a break, a retest of this low here, and then I could be interested in a pullback. Yep. So I mean, this could head in either direction at the moment. There's just really no way of telling. Wait for the market to invite you in, and it's going to be the break at retest and fail. That's the only way, that I'll get involved. So either we get that or we get that, and we're trading. Look at this. We're trading right into this tight range while we've just broken the high. All right, interesting scenario. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely bullish momentum. So I mean, we'll see how this holds up. I just don't trust this trading into the London Open. Spiking like that, it's definitely a liquidity grab for now. So let's just see how it shapes up. Once the market opens and we see the dust settle, it'll find its way, and then I'd be interested in looking at potentially getting involved. I mean, that's it, guys. It's the best I can do at this stage with this. Be careful. It's volatile and unpredictable. Take care. Safe trading. Oh, by the way, gain access to my indicators. Click the link below the video in the description and check it out.